That's cool. Should we sing a Christmas song? It's beginning.
I thought we were doing Thanksgiving. Hey everybody, welcome to
the best cooking show in the world.
2 chefs.
1 knife.
And the holiday edition continues. Cranberries.
Cranberries. Look, we match.
Is that a bowl of cranberries, or are you just happy to see me?
It's a bowl of cranberries.
So what are we doing today?
We're doing a cranberry, leek, and ginger
Chutney. Cranberry sauce.
Yeah, cranberry sauce. We hit 23,000 subscribers today, and thank you. We're still poor.
Still not making any money, but
yeah.
Sauce is fantastic. It's like your basic cranberry sauce, but elevated. For making me cranberry sauce. We have our stainless steel pot, not aluminum, and we got our wooden spoon.
All right.
For all you pot lovers out there and pot haters,
yes,
stainless steel.
I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna find something negative.
All right, so we're gonna start off with enough oil to sweat off the leek. So I'm making a very large amount of the sauce because it's fantastic. So plus I have a banquet of 500 upstairs I gotta cook for. So there we go. We got 2 leeks. So we are just gonna cook off these leeks until they get nice and sweat. We're not worried about getting color or anything on them. We're just gonna want to soften them.
You just want to sweat them.
Leek, I wanna make you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. Okay, so at this point, we're starting to get a little soft. We're not going to fully overcook it. This is where we're going to add garlic, pureed garlic. And we got chopped ginger, fresh ginger. And we're going to mix that in. Oh my God, it smells so good right now. You can just serve it like this. Okay, as you can see, it's all sweat, leeks getting all soft. The ginger and garlic just started to cook, but we don't want to brown it. There we go. And at this point, today we are using frozen cranberries. You can use fresh, but if you can't find fresh, don't be afraid of the frozen.
They are picked at peak, so they're wonderful.
You're getting optimal flavor out of your frozen cranberries. There we go. Look at that. That is great. And because the cranberries have been frozen, when they defrost, they'll actually let out more liquid than fresh ones. So you actually get a little more extra cranberry juice flavor into your chutney. Am I right?
You are right.
Should I add the rest of the bag?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that looks fantastic. Doesn't it?
It does.
We have orange juice. We're going to add that. There we go. And we have good old-fashioned sugar. Or should I call it cane sugar? We got cane sugar. This is all sugar, cane sugar.
Yeah.
Came from a cane at one point in time. Sugar, you know what? Add as much sugar as you like your cranberry sauce. If you like it sweeter, add more. If you like it a little more tart, add less. You know, you're better off to always start with less sugar. Taste your cranberry sauce. If it needs more, add some more. All right, look at that. Gonna stir that up. And then we're just going to let this come to a simmer and let it cook itself out. Let it cook down. As you can see, the cranberries are starting to break down just a little bit, but it's still not ready. You got to keep this going on a little simmer.
What, 8 minutes so far?
Yeah. So let it go on a little simmer. Simmer down now and settle down now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right. As you can see, look at that. Cooked down, naturally thickened on its own. It's looking so good. So we're going to give it a little taste because we got to adjust the seasoning or maybe adjust the sweetness of it. We'll see.
Is it fantastic?
That's good. Okay, so we're gonna add a little salt. And then we've got a new clean spoon. We're gonna give it a taste again. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Oh my gosh, the leek, the onion with the cranberry, and the ginger and the garlic. Wow. Chef MPH, chef kisses.
Why are you allowed to say that? So mean.
So we're all done. We're just gonna take this off the heat. We're gonna let it cool down and you're ready to serve, just as is. And everyone's gonna be all, is that store-bought? No.
I just have to say this sauce is a combination of my favorite Chinese sauce and white man cranberry sauce. Yeah. Cheers. Oh my God, it's so good.
I got so much movement. I don't know.
Wow. Fantastic.